What's up, YouTube? Today I am doing my first unboxing of, it's either a Black Friday or a Christmas theme car. I'm guessing Christmas because look at that Santa. Anyway, I got this from the Dollar Tree, and I also got another thing from the Dollar Tree. I didn't just get this, I also got this Dollar Tree magazine. Poor girl. So anyways, time to get on with the unboxing. So guys, I don't have a front-facing camera, so I'm gonna try and do this the best I can with just one hand. Oh wait, my sister is being camera woman. No, don't turn it sideways, and the video is gonna be sideways. It has to be like this. Okay, here we go. Whoa, look at it.
Very gold.
Yep. It says Happy Holidays with Santa. And it says this is best for track. Watch this. It just went through.